Kapi Farait Football Academy haka karwai tarik mentau benai kelayo ben pelat pajba saya artli ki uniform ni ki jersey naga benta ki kena kentei ki basha pentibet lingba kani ki slam ajingkai ki bansai shimentaru haka Women's League jong slam arajar arpsau ya kini ki jersey layo ben pelat da kinong krishan ba nong musim barat ba Kapi Farait Football Academy bakun top yuba marken temar bat u Shekhar Harikat kejingadan lang do Presiden bat General Secretary bakun top yuba rilang melimpana bat uba Frankie Karamnoj nang ta ki coach bat ki players bat hakani keju igasingi la play perdasandan ya ka tournament jangka Women's League bala penyai daka SSA
All jongi imju boy berkat bikin mi lihat ente. Mishu berkat. You just imagine. Ente hadin ke rimba kini ki bay alam VP President General Secretary. Pakai tim ke jofi ni dapat jisukmen. Ngakran ni pi kumu riramba kumu kuma. Bah pi don ke kamisi bah pendekai. Di ketika sain ke baitna bah bah pi don ke kamisi pendekai. Bah don ke jingong health is wealth. Jika jingkia kerong kespat. Di bagawai lu awak kerong player pilih mensudo. Bah pihak orang kecil kerong discipline. Discipline in many ways. Kecil mut kabut, kecil mut kecil berkat. Kecil kidang step kerkombam, kerkom tiak. But ke surrounding berpidan pihak jit ha. Mo, I wish you all the best. Ni walau kita por daga ni kekru ni sukuna tiki kam kami di long nang ilam ki ba shim kitli ban penduan ni ki ba pila ban long kum ni kum kalong daga jingbit jingbiang daga jingra ba kum juru agni ka por ga kwa ban penitu ba Shekhar di iwei ni ki ban ba the ball ba sierap di sponsor di baju ni di marba kafi ka wei ban ngan chipin kut kalong ba ka cause ka daw pilih ka good cause noble cause din ka daw kat mangila ay banyara ni ko banyara mo I wish you all the best. Play well, have a team spirit. What you do Jickerman, don't be selfish because team each and everyone have a role to play. If you have goal, you don't get goal. If you have half people, you don't have defense, you don't forward to them. But you need combination. That's the most important. I wish you all the best. May God bless you.
Girls, he's Mr. Shekhar, one of our sponsors and supporters, and he's Bak Tamar, I support, I Karshan Hai Kanika, team Joka, PFA, both for boys and girls. Kanika Academy, this is Academy, Football Academy. So we have children right from 4 years till the senior level. So we are taking part in so many leagues like for the Children's League, Baby League, then Youth League, and this senior league, both boys and girls. So indeed, Mr. Shekhar. So we would like to request him to deliver a few speech, like a kind of motivation for the team itself.
Thank you, President, Secretary, and Mr. Markin. Sir, he is very close to me. I don't have anything to say. You are playing the team spirit, as Markin sir has already told you. I am also a sportsman. I used to play cricket here only. I represent the state of Meghalaya also. So, dedication, determination, discipline, this is the three which we learned. I think you all know that. This is a thing. And all I say, all the best. May you shine. May God bless you and take Meghalaya's name in international level. I was also first associated with Baby League with Bethel's son. Yeah. So he took me, then I came into this. So regarding sponsor, and it's not just a small contribution, but the contribution which you all are giving to the state and the country, that's nothing compared to what we are doing. So all the best. And in February, I think all of you know Messi is coming to India, Kerala for playing his last international tournament in Kerala, so I'll be there. So hopefully I can see you all there also, if not to see the match. Okay. your dress are very beautiful. My son will if I send him a photo, he is a Chelsea fan. I send a photo, he will be very happy. So all the best. May God bless you and play very well. Okay? Thank you very much.
Ban play ban pelat by official jersey ji trong home jersey and away jersey. We will request to line up nanti ke nejam nak. Ni yang ni.
Okay.
Chairman Pat.
और गाइस गई थी कि प्लेयर्स जो बराबर की टीम की ऑफिशियल बंतnya ya ke game ni nangta की ऑफिशियल जो के SSA भी dalang ni सोभाय बन पदिang सोभाय भी kan ni kuat ban kan no ka tournament arajar aku sama ban ingat pinle ka spirit ka sporting spirit ka ba nyele bat Minta kembali keren di secretary general secretary honorary general secretary jangka klub jangka SSA bah ingin ke jingjit iki player kan nang tendon nang ni inginget bah pen burom ya kata bat kan long hi ka jingin kentiu nam tajo ha te hakaju ko hakumi ki hang ha keda udon wi coach napo ka Bangalore uban wan menta wan ban scout nang players nang menta kan ni ka Bangalore jongka Indian Women's League te nganget pin ya Tristom pin I lagi jong kisap le doyap ba kanlong kalat ban plin ti pi mo kanlong kalat ban kintiu pi kalong kejingdon bok hai por ibabiang udang wan dang men kendai terik menta kesni lakwa bendan rengkat ang ni hadu arpui terik te hapeng kita ki sni baudon sini man ki game wan man yadon benta ban wan ban pek iki players cara pal jong ke Shillong Sports Association lapli